Hierarchy of controls. Once you've assessed the risks, the next step is to decide how to control them. The hierarchy of controls is a system for choosing the most effective ways to reduce or eliminate risks. It works like a ladder, where the most effective controls are at the top and the least effective are at the bottom. Let's take a look at the different levels. Elimination. Completely remove the hazard. This is the most effective way to control risk. Substitution. Replace the hazard with something less dangerous, for example, using a less toxic chemical. Isolation. Physically separate people from the hazard. This could be done by placing barriers between workers and the hazard, or by using remote control systems. Engineering controls. Use equipment or changes to the work environment to reduce exposure to the hazard. For example, installing guards on machines. Administrative controls. Change the way people work. This might include training, work procedures, or shift changes to reduce exposure. PPE. Provide personal protective equipment, PPE, gear like gloves, masks, or safety glasses to protect workers. This is the least effective control because it doesn't remove the hazard, just helps protect against it. When choosing control measures, start at the top of the hierarchy and work your way down. Only moving to lower levels if higher level controls aren't possible. Monitoring and review. Once you've put control measures in place, it's important to regularly monitor and review them to make sure they're working. If a control isn't as effective as you hoped, you may need to adjust it or try a different approach.